Today we're going to be talking about building your virtual IT team. Here's just a list of some of the topics we'll be discussing. First of all, your role as a virtual IT manager. Then we're going to talk about why advanced planning is important. And then we're going to talk about delivering true virtual IT support. Then we're going to talk about which services clients will want most. Then we'll discuss planning your virtual IT department. And finally, I'll give you some tips for succeeding in virtual IT. First of all, let's get into a little bit about what your role is going to be as a virtual IT manager. Your role is really going to change once you close the sale and start to install systems for clients. So as you move from closing the sale to installing actual servers and LANs, unless you have the luxury of having dedicated sales staff, dedicated project managers, and dedicated technical staff, you're going to have to change your attitude a little bit as to how you're dealing with your clients, and your frame of mind as to how you deal with your clients. And in small business computer consulting, typically you're going to be working by yourself, at least in the beginning of your business, so you probably will not have this additional staff to help you. Secondly, a virtual CIO, and being a virtual CIO makes you responsible for delivering on time and on budget. And basically, as your client's virtual CIO and project manager, you have the ultimate responsibility of delivering the completed project on time and on budget. So with such a complex project that involves a lot of different variables, there's a lot that can go wrong, and that's because you're dealing with sophisticated solutions. But on the flip side of that, the complexity of virtual IT also increases your value to clients. So that's a lot of the reason that you can command such high rates in IT consulting, because you're providing them with a really valuable service. Your success depends on administrative details, and basically what this means is that your projects are going to live and die based on the execution of simple administrative details. So you need to pay close attention to this. Major system changes take weeks of planning. Smooth upgrades basically they're not going to happen by accident. Major system changes need several weeks, and in some cases even months of advanced planning, and a lot of attention to dozens of interrelated details, so you have to really pay close attention to that. Small businesses have no in-house IT departments and will need you to be a true virtual IT department and virtual IT manager. So in larger companies, full-time IT project managers would normally handle this type of responsibility, but small businesses that don't have on-staff IT directors usually are going to lean on their computer consultants to step up to the plate as virtual IT managers. You really need good project management skills to get through project glitches. So basically, no matter how many times you meet with your small business clients before a major installation or upgrade, there are going to be a few extra, oh, by the way, sort of situations that are going to come up throughout the course of the project. This is why you really need to have efficient and assertive project management skills that are going to help you respond to these unplanned changes. And they'll just become kind of like speed bumps, and you'll still be able to deliver on time and on or under budget. And also, regardless of whether you're managing an upgrade to a new version of Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, any product that you're upgrading to, depending on your platform, a contact management program, an accounting application, anything, system upgrades are not going to go as smoothly as you'd like. So you need to have these good project management skills to get you through these different glitches that are inevitably going to come up. You need to learn to spot potential problems early. This is a really important part of your role as a virtual IT manager. Seasoned small business computer consultants in the role of virtual CIO and project manager learn to spot and address potential problems before they evolve into major catastrophes. So this is going to be a really integral part of your role as a virtual IT manager.
Do you want more of the best, steady, high-paying computer business clients? Then sign up for free, proven computer business tips now at computerbusinesstips.com. Again, that's computerbusinesstips.com.